Hello, my name is Stedman. I'm a solutions engineer at Verkada, and this video will cover how to get started with Verkada Command.
First, accept the Verkada invitation you received in your email from your Verkada admin. Confirm your information is correct and create a password. Once that's done, you can log in using your email and password or single sign-on if your organization uses it. If you have trouble remembering your password, you can click on the Forgot Password button or request a magic link for a one-time login. Next, let's review your Verkada organization. First, verify your account information is correct. To do this, click on your profile in the bottom left-hand corner and select My Account. If any profile information is incorrect, you can click the update icon to make changes. Make sure your mobile number is accurate if you want to receive text alerts from your Verkada system. This phone number may also be used for two-factor authentication. If your company uses SCIM or user management, contact your Verkada admin to make changes. Next, in the security section, you can change your password, enable passkeys using biometrics, or set up two-factor authentication for added security. In the user preferences section, you can change the default product page to open when you log in, which is especially helpful if you're using multiple Verkada products. I'll change my default page to alerts. You can also manage your communication preferences to opt in or out of product updates by email. Lastly, you can review your active sessions. For example, if you're logged into Verkada Command on a temporary computer, you can log out of that session here to ensure your account remains secure.
Next, let's explore the product menu. In the top left corner, let's click the waffle icon to see all Verkada products available in your organization. If your organization uses multiple products like mine, you can navigate between cameras, access control, air quality sensors, and more. Now, let's take a look at floor plans. Here you can view and manage floor plans by placing cameras, access control devices, and air quality sensors on a floor plan of your building. This provides live footage, door statuses, remote unlocks, and sensor readings for air quality. You can filter the view to focus on specific features. For example, click door vents to see only doors and related events, or motion detection to highlight areas with motion detected by cameras. You can also identify heavily frequented areas using people heat maps. Adjust the date and time to review floor plan data over specific periods. Zoom in and out as needed for better visualization. That's all for this video. Thanks for watching. If you have further questions, please visit our Knowledge Center or contact our 24/7 support team.